We're here at Premier Dental with Garrett. He's going to tell us about his experience. What do you like coming, why do you like coming to Dr. Anderson's office?
Well, I think they have, it's very clean, it's very quick. You come in, he gets you in here, you do what you need to do, and then you're out of here.
Okay. And what work have you had done?
I have had a lot of cavity fillings, obviously because I'm younger. I had wisdom teeth out, and I think just constant monitoring. So.
And how did those experiences go for you?
They were good. Especially getting my wisdom teeth out, I was very nervous about that. But well, when I came in here, it was very comfortable. We got everything done, and he made sure everything was done perfectly and in a way that I wouldn't feel too much pain, and then it was good. So, yeah.
Alright. What would you say about the staff at Premier Dental?
Everyone's really nice. I mean, you don't find one person that really is just ignoring you. Everyone's trying to talk to you. Everyone's trying to make sure that, everything's going good and you constantly are being interacted with, and everyone's very nice.
Okay. And would you refer us to your friends?
I would, because I think there's not really any other place that, I've been to at least, that really has the same things to offer.
Okay.